What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Bert Collins and I'm back with another video, back with another banger, back with another unboxing, man. Go hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you can stay tapped in with your boy. We're going to get right into this box, man. If you follow me on Instagram, you already know the package came in. The package came in straight from Nike. You know what I'm saying? I can't tell if somebody, it looked like somebody was trying to mess with my box. It looked like somebody was trying to peek in. Yeah, man, the box is in though. I'm sure you guys know what it is. Now, I know a lot of people were calling these the Stimulus 3s. Bars. But I'm really excited that I got my hands on these. And not everybody got a pair of these. Hold on. Ooh. I don't think I got a box like this either. Yeah, everybody was calling these the Stimulus 3s. Right? Color on it is midnight navy. You know what I'm saying? And white. Size 10. Bio. Hold on, let me. I'm saying midnight navy and white. Everybody was calling these the Stimulus 3s. I think these are gonna be fire. I have watched a couple videos. I like what I've seen. Suggested retail $190. I think I spent like $208 on these. Will I keep these? Who knows? Let's look at the outside of the box. You got the elephant print and just navy blues. Pretty simple. Fan. Outside of the box. Got your cement print. What you guys think about these? Wow. All right, let's check them out. I like them. I like these. I'm gonna grab both pairs at the same time. Bow. I like these. Air Jordan 3. Now, if you was watching my video, you would have knew I picked this up. You would have knew it was a cop. We broke the street. You see the spare laces right here. So if you're buying these aftermarket or resale and the lace bag don't look like this, it might come from Wendy Lee. You know what I'm saying? This is the Georgetown colorway. I like them, man. We're gonna set one shoe down real quick. Now look at the tongue. Nice and clean. Like a new buck. The leather is cool. The leather is cool. Mud guards. I mean, the shoe's pretty soft. I mean, it's not like super duper buttery or nothing like that. Comes with the white laces. You got Air Jordan on the back. Let's look at the bottom. The blue pod right here, surrounded by gray with the white. Jordan written in navy. That elephant print. I like these, man. I'm gonna probably hold on to these for sure. This is just like anything that's clean. Anything that's a clean colorway. Like them red ones, them red Jordans, the all red 3s, those were a little too loud for me. Those were a little too loud for me, so I didn't cop these. But this is something, you know, I wear a lot of navy blue. So these are, I like 3s a lot. 3s are like one of my top Jordans. I think these are like the cleanest, some of the classiest Jordans you can have. I know everybody's in the Jordan 1s, but you know, you gotta be different. You gotta like something different. Jordan 3s are the ones for me. I like Jordan 1s too, but you know, Jordan 3, I would say a Jordan 11 is still my top Jordan, and then Jordan 3, then Jordan 1, and then the 5s. I like the 5s. So that, I mean, and sometimes that order changes, you know what I mean? But yeah, look at these, man. This was a dope pickup. Like I said, came with extra laces, so you can always swap it out. And shout out to Jez, the sneaker guy. Everybody be stealing his swag. I'ma just keep mine regular. I don't know, man. I don't know. What would you guys do? Comment below. Are you going navy laces or are you going white laces? I don't know. What you think? Or are you gonna go navy on one shoe and white on the other? I'm probably gonna go navy laces, right? The navy? I'll probably go navy with the laces. The white's clean though, right? Comment below. Let me know what you think. I really like the cut of this shoe right here. This shoe seems like, or at least with the 3s that they're making now, that have this type of tongue, they're making them a lot slimmer. Jordan 3s used to be a little bit fatter, in my opinion. Let me know if I'm wrong, but yeah, man. This is a dope pickup. I'm happy with it, man. I am happy with it, man. You guys go ahead and hit that like button, man. Hit that subscribe button. I appreciate everybody for tapping in. You got your Jordan 3s right here. Both shoes. You know what I'm saying? It's your boy Bert Collins, man. I've already tapped in with y'all, man. I appreciate y'all. I got nothing but love for y'all, but just make sure before you get out of this video, you go hit that like button and that subscribe button. If you want to stay tapped in with your boy, hit that notification bell. It's your boy Bert Collins. I've already tapped in. Now I'm tapping out. Peace.